Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you 4 easy ways to take screenshots on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. These methods work perfectly for the standard S26 and S26 Plus as well. Let's jump right in. The first method is using the quick panel. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the full quick settings. Find the take screenshot icon and tap it. Your screen will be captured instantly. If you don't see the button, tap the pencil icon at the top to edit your layout. Select Add Control. Find the Take Screenshot toggle and drag it into your panel. I recommend moving it to the top section so you can access it with just one swipe. Tap Done to save your new layout. Next, we have the Edge panel, great for one-handed use. Pull out the edge handle. You will find it usually on the right side of your screen. Navigate to the Tasks page and tap Take Screenshot. If you don't see the Tasks page, tap the Settings icon at the bottom of the Edge panel. Under the panel's menu, make sure Tasks is selected. Now you are good to go. The third method is the classic palm swipe. Simply swipe the edge of your palm across the screen either from left to right or right to left. Ensure your hand slightly touches the screen as you swipe. The system will automatically capture and save the image. The fourth method uses the physical buttons. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time quickly. Do not hold them down. A quick, simultaneous press will capture the screen and save it to your gallery. Need to capture a long web page or document? It is easy. Capture a screenshot using any of the methods above. Look for the scroll capture icon in the toolbar at the bottom. Tap it to scroll down and stitch the next section. Continue tapping until you have captured everything you need into one single long image. To view your captures, just head over to your gallery. Tap on Albums and you will find everything organized in the Screenshots folder. That wraps up our guide on 4 different ways to take screenshots on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.